here it is, 3rd of July. Beautiful day, mid-60s, mostly sunny. This is going to be kind of a short ride. I got to get to work early tonight. So I'm just going to run up the top of the world. And do a little demonstration of this new rig I got for the camera, which I hope will work fine. My testing around town worked. There's some other guys out here. I don't know who they are. It feels good to get out for a little bit because I've been kind of laid up with a nasty head cold here for a week. Probably shouldn't be out today, but I couldn't stand sitting around the house anymore. Oh, back here in the woods, in the wood tunnel. I'm sure glad they didn't brush this out. Just so damn beautiful in here. And it is definitely bear season. They've been into town. My buddy Jim had a brown bear up above his house a few days ago. They've been getting into garbage, the people that don't know enough to keep it inside till garbage day, or water in here. It has been dry. Lots of forest fires up north. We very seldom get a forest fire in this area because it's normally pretty wet. But occasionally we do get something if we get a long dry spell. I don't see any tracks on here, so them other fellows must have gone up towards the lake. Unless they're waiting up top here having a picnic, because this is a pretty hard trail. Okay, coming out on top. Ain't nobody up here. Good place to do my little demonstration. Ah, sun right in my eyes. Okay. This is the mandatory disclaimer. Everything you see here is mine. I bought it. I'm not sponsored, compensated, anything else you can think of, monetized. I do it all myself. And my directions, well, make your own decision on that, because free advice is worth what you pay for it. So, anyway, we got the GoPro Hero 7 with the mic adapter. And anybody who's got this rig knows that you get about an average of 1 hour on a battery. That didn't suit me. So I bought one of these pocket-size battery packs. Pretty common, you see them for recharging stuff. There's all kinds of different models and manufacturers out there. They pretty much all work the same, but try and get a good one. Now that plugs into the jack on the back of the mic adapter, and that connection was a little bit loose. So I got the wire pushed in a little tighter and some super tape to hold it down. The plug goes into the battery pack, really snaps in there solid. So I can drop that in my jacket pocket and it stays in there pretty good. It's just, it will fit in my shirt pocket if you want to carry it underneath your jacket, but button it down is a job. Now the GoPro battery is something like 1200 milliamps. This one is 10,000 milliamps. So I want to get a full day off of the battery pack. Of course, it's not waterproof or nothing. You know, a pretty solid case, but you still got open jacks on it. So I wouldn't want to go swimming with it or get out in the rain. Of course, the way I got the camera rigged up, I don't do that anyway. So far it's been working good. When you turn the camera on, where the battery indicator is, you get a signal up there that says no battery. Which is kind of silly, because if there was no battery, there wouldn't be any indicator. So far, everything's going pretty good. One of these days, I'm going to have to take a real long trip and see how it works on that. Now, there's a whole bunch of stuff on YouTube about this system. You can get different stories on it. So anybody that's using it, you had any experiences, let me know. And I hear somebody coming up the trail, so I'll cut it short. Head on home.
Well, this fella's coming in here. Big one. Take up the whole trail.